All right, today we're going to be talking about the Genie app, which is available for download in the Apple App Store. One of the features that I really wanted to highlight today is that it will write code for you in any programming language that you choose. What you do, you write in the text box there exactly what you want the code to do, and then you select your programming language from the list, and then you hit generate, and then it immediately writes the code for you. You can press the copy button and put that in Dreamweaver, or you can put it in your web editing software, whichever you use. Also wanted to show you that the Genie app is capable of writing in any code, and there's about 10 different coding languages that you can choose from, as you can see right there. And for these purposes, I chose JavaScript, and so then I selected that, then I hit generate, and here's the JavaScript version of the page counter. So in the App Store, the name of the app is Genie AI Chatbot, and it is free to download. However, to get all the different features, it's $6.99 weekly, which is very expensive, but I was just going to try it out for about a week to see what I thought. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed the video and found it helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe too. And in the comments below, feel free to tell me what you think about all the ChatGPT software that's popping up now, and whether or not you think it's going to last, and just your general thoughts on it. All right, thanks for watching.